Nishi.
Hi again. So this is day 3, technically, since the storm started. As you guys can see, there's still 3 feet of snow outside. Not wanting to melt. Well, it's getting better. Just look at the windshield. There's like 6 inches of darkness out there. That's gonna be hours and hours of work to clean. But yeah, we're progressing. Sarah, what are your thoughts?
My hands are red. I think this is a sign of my fingers trying to fall off. Again, I'm not genetically made for this. I decided this a long time ago. But, you know, snow is pretty until you try to get in it. And then it's not so fluffy. It's just hard, and it looks like, it actually acts more like ice. I'm kind of done with this. Yeah. We're just sitting in my car to thaw my fingers out, and then we're gonna get back to work. Alright, it's been real. This is our update from SVTV.
Peace.